Today we will build an AI waifu that we can move around like this and can talk like this. Hey Zura, what is the weather like today in Ho Chi Minh City?
Let me check that for you. One sec. Here's what's happening in Ho Chi Minh City today to keep your vibes just right. Right now, it's pretty chill.
So the tool that we are going to use is called ZeroWeight AI. So first we go to Google and search ZeroWeight AI. And here we go to ZeroWeight.ai. In this website, we can just create an account for free. All right. So here we have a lot of characters to choose from. So let's say Nakonomiku. So I think this looks pretty good. We can also preview the actions that this avatar has. For example, here we have wave hand, we have speaking, we got thinking, embarrassed. Okay, that looks pretty cool. I can add it to my avatar, which is 30 credits. When you create a new account, we will have 100 credits for free. So you can just add these avatars as you want. Alright, so here we can configure the persona, the voice action. But you know what? These look pretty nice, but I want to have my own waifu instead. So what am I gonna do? Okay, so I will use ChatGPT to generate the character for myself. Alright, okay, this looks not bad, but not really what I'm looking for. I would like to use something like Genshin Impact style.
One eternity later.
After half a day of generating image with ChatGPT, I got this. This is very good. So what we're gonna do is we will create a new avatar. I will just call it Zera, and I will choose to have transparent background because I want to embed it to my website later on. Okay, now we can just drag it in here and then we paste in a prompt that describing this girl and hit generate. Alright, this is what we are looking for. Now let's go to the next step. We will configure other things like the persona. Let's say I will call it Zera, 18 or maybe 16. English. Okay, I'm looking for something like cheerful Genki girl. Save the persona. The voice. I will just use the preset Zeta voice.
Xin chào. Đây là bản xem trước giọng nói đã được nhân bản.
Okay, this is Vietnamese, but it can work in English as well. Now let's create some actions. So here they already added the listening and speaking for us. But actually I want to add a lot more. So I will add something like wave hand, maybe embarrassed, clapping, and what else? What else? Alright, maybe something like speaking with excitement. This should be very cool. Alright, seems like everything is done. We got clapping, we got embarrassed. Yeah, pretty cool. Now we can just hit build avatar and confirm build.
One eternity later.
It's done. Now let's have a quick test. Hello, hello.
Oh my gosh, I'm so pumped to see you.
Okay, it seems like everything is going well. So now let's integrate this into our website. Now, so the first thing we need to do is getting the API key. So we head up to API and keys. Actually I will create a new one. Don't worry, I will delete it after this video. Then we need to install the package. So now my website is just a blank page. So what we're gonna do now is copy this line, import the live kit avatar session, and then the live kit avatar session. So we will need the API key and the avatar ID. The API key is here. But note that this is supposed to be secure, so we should implement a server proxy to secure the API key. But for this video, and if we just like testing it in local and just paste in the API key here so that we can have a quick test. We can copy the avatar ID right here. Avatar ID, and I think that's it. Yes, we can have the avatar here, but you notice that we have a border right here. I don't really like it. We can just set show border equal to fonts, and then awesome. Actually here, I'm using the motion div from the frame motion library, so that's why I can grab her like this, which is pretty cool, right? And I can also talk to her. Hello, Zera.
Hi there. I'm Zero with a Z.
This is pretty cool, but actually I want more. Like, when I click on her, she should do something. So, in the API keys, there is a documentation. We will go to advanced usage. So this one will allow us to have the on-click of the buttons and the session run action. So we can run the action manually as we want. Actually, I have already implemented that. So I can just enable that using advanced. You guys can also find this on my GitHub repo. I linked in the description below. What I want to do is when we click on the character, she will wave her hand. Okay. And the method is just run action. And the ID is wave hand. Right. So this is the avatar canvas. We can just simply implement the on-click event on it. As you can see now, when I click on her, she will wave her hand. How awesome is that? We can do a little bit more, like I want some randomness. Like sometimes she should wave her hand, sometimes she should just be embarrassed. So what I'm gonna do is create a random variable. Okay, cool. So now when I click on her, she will dance, and another time she will dance, another time she will be embarrassed, and dance, and wave hand. And now let's enjoy the final result. Hello, hello.
Hey, yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to see you. What's up? Got any fun plans? Or are we just vibing today?
Can you help me to search what is the weather like today in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam?
Let me check that for you. One sec. Here's what's happening in Ho Chi Minh City today to keep your vibes just right. Right now, it's pretty chill. Mostly clear skies and around 84 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 29 degrees Celsius. Cute little warm weather. Just how we like.
And that is pretty much it. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to see more videos like this.